code. In this video, we'll see about forms in Bootstrap 4, how we can make forms in Bootstrap 4, and accordingly. Okay, so this is the basics template grid system rules, and I have already copied the basic template, so I will just start it from here inside the row and put. I have removed all of the previous alert and color code, so I'm just starting with this. So as I have mentioned in my previous video, you can open any cheat sheet website, or you can basically refer getbootstrap.com. They also done brilliant work in giving this documentation. However, it's up to you. So now we are working with forms. So here is a form group element. So this is the way a form will look if I am using form group. Form inline will look like this. So it all depends on the designing factor, how you want. Now I will just use this form and I will try to just include this. So here basically they are using container, so I don't need container right now here. I'll just remove it. So this is the code. I will just reload it, and you can see that the form is ready with us, but I can see that the spacing and alignment is not proper. Let's see how to get rid of this. First of all, I have not done any of the wrapper classes, so I will give it call 12, and inside that I will put my form and see the width of it. Okay, so currently it is taking entire width, so I will give it as 6, and for the rest of 6 what I will do is I would just put a alert for the info maybe. Okay, it is not copied yet. I will just paste it here, and I'll just write some message. Register now. Okay, or else I will just do 5 and 7. Okay, currently I don't have any design in my mind. I'm just trying to use all of the components, so it is not looking that great. I agree, but maybe it will clear the doubts. Now I need a button currently, so for buttons we can use this button components. So here there are lots of buttons available. For now I will just use the new buttons, which are outline buttons, which looks like this. In Bootstrap 3 we used to code for this separately if we want this kind of designs for the buttons, but in Bootstrap 4 they have already coded it like this. I would just paste the code here, and this is showing me type button. Okay, now I'll just put this register, and I will just reload the page, so it is showing me register. So here is my form. I would do some padding for the form, padding 10 px, and background I would give it like this. for background I can again use BG color here, basically here. For background there would be some colors or something like that. COLVR. Like this. BG, I would give it as not like this. I want it. Universe will look like this. Danger will look like this. I would take it as in faded. This will look nice. So for this, basically I will just need a class BG faded, not entire script, and I will customize my form look. So for this form, basically I would give a class BG faded, and let's see. I don't think so that it has taken the color. Let me copy this, and instead let's paste this and check. Okay, it has taken the text as white, but it is yet it is not taking any colors. Okay, I don't know why it is not taking the colors. Let us open this and find colors, utility color. Now for this, BG info is looking like this. So what have I missed? Something. Oh, okay. I really didn't got the problem, but I got the solution. So likewise we can give any background to the form. Okay. Now similarly I wanted some padding also, so for that I would just give a padding of 10 pixels like this, so my form started to look a little bit cleaner and nicer. Okay, so this is the way we can actually make any kind of layout in Bootstrap. I would just give it as an inline style for this example and see how our forms look like. So the forms is looking not that good, but maybe it has cleared the doubt. So similarly we can use any types of forms here in Bootstrap. Let me close one of the resources so it might confuse you guys. I would go for the first resource because it is much cleaner. Now let me make one more form. Okay, let me make a form with this or this. This is a slider, right? This is all disabled elements. This is all read-only elements. So it has shown everything. So inline is there. Okay. So let us make this form inline and see if. So in this website, actually they have given a proper indentation for the code. In the previous website, they haven't done any indentation. They have just given the compressed version. So my choice has changed from that resource to this. So you can also follow this resource. Again, it's up to you, but you can refer those. Now I'm just making a 6 and I'll just paste the code it here, and let's see how the form looks like. Yes, the form is here. We can give any types of background, and we can use this in anywhere of the anywhere in the web page. So this is such a simple thing in Bootstrap to do. Okay, so I hope we have learned about this. Let me customize my first form only, and I would add few more of the fields. Let me remove this. I would add few more of the fields, like let me take a checkbox maybe. Okay, so I will just pick the checkbox code, and I will call it as, so checkbox basically has a type checkbox and value. Also, I would like to give the name to the checkbox, my checkbox. Okay, and here I would like to give or maybe I will do hobbies, and here I can give multiple options like playing cricket, or just read this, playing football, or playing carom, etc. So let's see how our forms look like. So here I have my hobbies to select. So okay, what I will do, okay, so I will just copy this layout, and I will try to understand how they have done in horizontal way. Currently I want hobbies to display here, and all the options should go here. So here I can see that they have made a label, so that is nothing but the ID. What I will do is I'll change the label to maybe hobbies. Okay, and there is a password displayed here, so I will just make it hobbies, and here is the column D10, and here I can place all of my basically, I'm so sorry that this indentation is not proper. Let me make it proper first. Okay, so this is the way it will look. What I will do is I'll put all of the content from here to go inside this hobbies. Okay, so for this I will just paste it here, and I'll reload it. So this is coming like this. Okay, so this is the way we can add checkboxes to the form. Let us add so radio button is same as checkboxes, so we can have that multiple of the options right there. Now let me take maybe, so this is nothing but the disabled elements for disabled, or like controlling a file. So for controlling a file, I will just copy this code and okay, maybe after that, so this is called as M10, which is getting closed, and here is the row. Okay, so again we want this, but there should be some. So again what we will do is we will just pick the code properly and we'll try to use it for this choose file. Okay, so here basically for is always for the IDs, so I will just call it as resume maybe, and here I will just give it upload resume, and this is column D10, so inside that I can just place my code right here. Actually ID will come here. Now if I'll reload my page, so it will look like this, where I have few checkboxes, my email ID, password, name. I can put any of the things here. I can choose a file or do anything as per I need. I can choose a file or do anything according to the requirements. So, and there are lots of more things that we can use, the read-only elements, and we can use disabled elements. This you can try it from this website itself. If you have any types of doubts, don't hesitate to comment below. I would try to answer all of your queries, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you are always updated to the content whatever I post on YouTube. I hope this video was useful. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Thank you.